every day that we live in now. People are sitting down too long, the muscles are getting too tight, people aren't exercising because they're going straight into their car, straight to work. It's really important to just get the body moving again. Pilates for backs is great because it helps strengthen the core, which in turn helps support the back. It helps to lengthen out tight muscles, it helps to relax the mind and the body. The class includes mobilisation, strengthening and toning, stretching and relaxation. If you have aches or pains or problems with your health, this is the perfect class to come to.
Last August, I could hardly walk, literally couldn't walk. The osteopath said, I can't do any more for you, but I do recommend you do Pilates. Within weeks, literally, I could play golf again because I feel so much better afterwards.
It's gentle, that's what I love, but it's so strengthening, totally invigorated. I mean, like now, I feel as though I could dance for the world.
This class has been specifically designed by me, who has been in 3 car accidents. We adapt and adjust and accommodate for you. The benefits of coming to the class is that you've got friendship, community, and I'm here with my expert guidance to ensure that you're doing the exercises correctly and safely. Even though it's Pilates for backs, it helps to mobilise the shoulders, the hips, the wrists, the knees. Everybody can come to the class, everyone is accepted. So how many years do you want to go on suffering for? Do you want to do something? Now's the time to take the plunge. Now's the time to look after yourself and look after your health.